everybody. Today I'm going to show you about a new recipe and a new cooking in my family and in my village too. So this is we call how to fry corn, everyone. Yeah, we have fried corn, so I'm going to fry it on the fire, and then I'm going to tell you more about ingredient of it, especially the recipe of this food, everyone. So let me start. For the first time, we take the outside of the corn, everyone. The corn it's really green, everyone, and it's so naturally. Take the outside of the corn like this. And then we cut the corn step by step like this, everyone. And then we take some, and then we put some ingredient of it like this. So now we start to fry, everyone. First we put oil, then we put garlic, wow, it's really hot. And then we put sugar palm. We just put some of it because it is a lot, so I put just some of it. And then we put some MSG. So we make until it's so red. So now it is the time to put and to add the fish sauce, everyone. This is meal, everyone. We put meal like this. And then it's the time to add corn. Everyone, we put some water. Then we continue to cook. It's really special with green onion, everyone. It's so good, this green onion. We have it on this table to cook together with the corn. So I take some green onion to put on our food. It's really green, everyone. So we take it to put on our food to be more delicious. Wow, it nearly to be already cooked, everyone, but it's not yet. So we wait maybe 5 minutes later. It's already cooked. Wow, everyone, it's already cooked. So it is the time to add green onion and also chili too. So we put like this. And also we put some chili on it to make more delicious. Everyone, it smells really good. So now it is the time to eat, everyone. So let me eat, and I'm going to tell you about it best too. So first I taste it water. Just it waters, but it's really yummy. So we eat the corn. It's really hot, everyone. Wow, it's really yummy and yummy. It is new taste, everyone, and it is easy to cook. You can cook it at your house. Sorry, you can cook it at your home. Green onion, everyone. everyone. So now I'm enough of my eating. I cannot eat anymore because of I'm enough of my eating. So let me say goodbye everyone. Goodbye. See you for the next video, and don't forget help me to subscribe my channel YouTube to see more video, more cooking, and also a new recipe, a new landscape like this to show you more for other video and for the next video too. So now let me say goodbye everyone. Goodbye. See you for the next video. Thank you for watching.